I'm just naturally loud.
There's one off to the left where I'm not looking.
I know, I can see it.
Oh, I got that!
Did you?
Yep.
Let me see.
Well, I'm not gonna stop right now when I'm on a roll.
Well, Kyle, you have to wait for the thunder again and then the lightning again. So let me see. It's not a picture.
It's not arithmetic. Lola? Lola.
Did you record it or did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can like take a picture from the recording though, right?
Are you serious? You can't take pictures when your phone's about to die.
That's true. Especially if you have a dumb phone.
I guess.
Like me.
Guys are gonna wish you.
Oakley. Oakley. Lola, get up here.
Come here, Lola.
Oakley's gonna catch on fire. Tail used ever.
It's a girl.
Whatever.
Oh, I missed it.
No, mine is too far to the
Yeah, that was weird. You could hear it.
Crap. I think that means it's close.
I missed the show.
Yes. Your butt's on my foot.
Oakley.
Matt, go get some tin foil and make yourself a hat.
Yeah, we're all seeing it here. It's quite the show.
We don't need s'mores.
Okay, watch that. Watch. You're going to miss it.
Dad's going up front.
Just wait.
Kyle, do you still want to go to Walmart?
Let's go.
Where should they have gone?
Lola, no.
Yeah.
There's probably a better view out front. Oh, I got that one.
You did?
I got it too.
Wait.
No?
I wasn't even looking and I got it. That's how good I am at this. Chases.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh, I missed it. Ha ha.
You guys lied.
it's way off to the left.
What are you guys going to Walmart for?
I'm gonna cut this.
Oh. Seth, we can go to Walmart real quick.
Hey,
You want to go?
steel wood, put it on the fire.
Okay.
Hey, don't. You're going to scratch my leg, dude.
Okay,
I
come
gotta
on.
get some fishing stuff ready. Who else wants to go with you? What now?
Devin, Corey, you guys want to go to check out my truck?
Hot box sticks?
I do have to return my car charger there.
Well, let's go. Rachel, you want to go?
No?
Oh!
Oakley!
Oakley.
Yeah, water. Whatever.
Can we go or wait for the show to be over?
You never know when the show will go.
I'm going out front with that.
The living room. Sorry.